In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dropbox Smart Sync, now called Online Only. If your computer's storage is feeling tight, this feature is a simple way to keep files visible in your Dropbox folder without taking up local space. You'll still see everything as usual on your computer, but the actual content lives in the cloud until you need it. When you open an online-only file, it downloads on demand, and you can work with it like any other file. We'll start by making specific files or folders online only on Windows. Begin by opening your Dropbox folder in File Explorer. Find the file or folder you want to remove from your hard drive, then right-click it. If you're on a newer version of Windows and don't immediately see the Dropbox options, click Show More Options to expand the classic context menu. From there, choose Make Online Only. Dropbox will free up that local space while keeping a placeholder in the same spot. You'll notice a cloud icon indicating it's stored online. If you later open the file, Dropbox will download it automatically so you can access it. This approach is great for large archives, old projects, or anything you want to keep handy without occupying disk space. If you prefer to set online only as the default for everything new you add, you can do that in Preferences. Click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar on Windows or in the menu bar on a Mac. In the top right of the window that appears, click your avatar or profile picture, then choose Preferences. Go to the Sync tab, look for the setting labeled Default Sync Preference, change it to Online Only. From now on, anything you add to Dropbox will appear on your computer as a placeholder by default, saving space automatically. You can still bring individual files or folders down to your device at any time by opening them, and they'll download when needed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the Dropbox app is running and you're signed in when changing these settings. If you don't see the online only option, give the app a moment to sync and check that you're on a plan that supports this feature. Remember, online only content requires an internet connection to download when you open it, so keep that in mind if you're going offline. That's it. You now know how to enable Dropbox Smart Sync or online only for specific items and as your default. Thanks for watching.